Okay, so the last part of the course is the culminating activity. So this week should be totally focused on this, keeping in mind that your culminating activity will be due Friday night at midnight. Okay, so you have 5 days to work on it because all the other course content or assignments are now closed. Like you can actually visit the course content, but I will not accept any more submissions. Okay, so if we go to content and you view it however you get it from the side or whatever. So the first part, there's two parts to the culminating activity. Remember, the culminating activity is 30% of your grade. So activity one. So you're going to go through. Oh, okay, reading over this. Okay. And then I want you to reflect on what you've learned in this course. Okay. So you are going to answer these questions in a document of some sort, and then you're going to submit it to the Dropbox. Okay. So that's the first thing. This shouldn't take you very long at all. Okay. And then you're going to start talking about your civic journey. Okay. So right here, you're going to now that you've reached the end of the course, you're going to reflect. You're going to write one final reflection that captures how your point of view changed on a topic because of the course, and another one that you have basically confirmed your point of view. Okay, so you've researched and looked at different civic issues, and hopefully you've been able to change your mind on something that you maybe made you think a little bit differently, and one that confirmed or reiterated the fact that you believe that you're right on an issue. Okay, so this is what it's going to. Worse comes to worse, okay? And I know I'll probably get people saying, well, nothing's changed in my mind. Then you're going to write it about two things that didn't change, okay? But I really want you to do one of each because I'm hoping that this opened your mind a little bit to seeing different perspectives. So please try to think of something that's changed your mind and one that basically you've stayed the same about, okay? So your reflection will be right here. The first issue, the first 3 paragraphs, and it explains exactly what's needed in there. Okay. And basically the same thing over again where you now agree with what you have learned. Okay. So once you are finished, you'll press the submit button that you will have. I do not, but you do have it. And that will be one part of your culminating activity, including this part, all make up the 30% grade in the course. Okay. Then, once that's done, you are going to go back and you're going to do the second part of the culminating activity. So, activity two. Okay. Going in here and close that. You're going to do a little bit of reading here, and then you're going to select an issue that you would want an action on, okay? This is just, there's nothing to submit for this. This is just you thinking and jotting stuff down, okay? So you might have a pad of paper out and going through what it could be. And it gives you, if you're stuck for ideas, maybe use one of the ones that's here, okay? So then you're going to answer these questions, okay? So answer these questions, and you're going to post this into the discussion board. So if you when you join the discussion, I want people responding to your ideas. Okay, by Wednesday. By Wednesday, I want you. By Tuesday or Wednesday, I want you having the post in there so that you have a little bit of time to read on what people had responded to your post. Okay. So, yeah. So make sure to do this. You are being marked on what you post into that discussion board and your responses to other people. Okay. So take the time to respond to 2 other people's posts about what their action idea is. Okay. Once you're done that, you're going to put everything together and complete this civic action plan worksheet. Okay. and you're gonna answer the questions here. Please be detailed. Please complete it right in this chart. You could go into point form, but make sure it's easy to understand what's going on. And once this is completed, you are officially done the course. There'll be a Dropbox item, and yeah, and then you are good to go. So please make sure you have exactly 5 days to work on this, that you give enough time to complete it. Okay?